What do we have today?
Bye.
Blind bags. Can you show everybody what you have? What is that? Shopkins.
Shopkins.
What else do you have? Oh, that's a new blind bag. What kind? Let's show everybody what kind. Princess. These are, let's see, Pets. What else do we have?
A kitty.
A new one also. Hello Kitty, Series 1. What else? Another Hello Kitty. What else do we have? My Little Pony blind bag. What else? Little Pet Shop blind bag. And last but not least, Minion. Okay, which one would you like to open first?
This one.
My Little Pony?
Yeah.
Right. Here, Mom, cut a little bit. Alright, let's see what we got. Who do you want? Rainbow Dash? Who is that? Rainbow Dash! Same! That's who you've been wanting, right? Alright, let's show everybody what Rainbow Dash looks like. The blue pony with colorful hair. What colors do you see? Green, orange, yellow. What about the tail? Blue, purple, and
Orange.
nope, that's red. It looks orange, but it's actually red. And she has a rainbow cutie mark. Rainbow cutie mark. All right. What else do you want to open?
Pet shop.
Pet shop? Okay. You got it?
Yeah.
No, Mom, I'm gonna cut a little bit.
What?
All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Ooh, let's see what you got. Ooh, what is that? Here's the little bed. It looks like a cucumber. Uh-oh. And it looks like a, I don't know what this is.
And it's this one.
What is it? Let's see which one it is. Oh, it's this one right here. The one on the very corner. $39.87.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. All right. What about the next one? What else would you like to open?
Minions. Bye.
Minions? Okay.
Bye.
Okay, open it.
Here's this one.
You can open it?
No.
Which one did you get? Let's see, which minion did you get? Can we see? Ooh, we got all natural Minion 2. And this is a movie exclusive Minion. Oh, and it has a little stand to stand the Minion on,
Okay.
so he don't fall down. What's so funny? Oh, Hello Kitty fell down. Can you put him on so he can stand up? Come on, Hello Kitty. Okay, what else would you like to open?
Ta-da!
Good job.
open this. A kitty.
Hello Kitty. Here, let Mommy start it. It's Series 1 Hello Kitty.
I did one.
Well, which one do you want first? Let's see which one you want. Pick one. Which one do you want? You don't want to pick one? Okay. There's another bag. Let me cut it open for you.
Oh no.
I'm trying to make it difficult.
Why?
So you can open it twice. What did you get? Ooh. Hello Kitty skiing.
Oh,
This one right here.
this one.
Yeah, so we have 1 out of 12. We need 11 more. Okay. Which other one would you like to open?
Pet shop.
Pet Palace? The Princess Pets?
And then open it.
Okay, open it.
Inside.
Got it? No.
Okay.
Which one do you want?
Cup.
Which one?
This one cup.
This one? Oh, you want teacup? Oh, okay. Let's see if we got teacup. Which one did we get? We got summer.
Summer.
Let's show everybody what summer looks like. Ooh, it's pretty cat. Look at her little crown. Her pink crown.
Pink crown.
Yeah. And she has like a gold little paw print. And I don't know what that is. Like a little pot thing? Oh, a bow.
Oh, bow.
And she has a little pink hair tie. And a pink collar. All right. What else would you like to open? Pet shop? I mean, not pet, Shopkins?
Shopkins.
Okay, open Shopkins. That one?
Heart.
You got it? Let me help you. Let me help? No? Okay. Got it? Now let me cut it off a little bit so it's easier for you. Oh, you got it. Let me help you a little bit. Okay, there you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Shopkins.
Shopkins, season 3. You like Shopkins?
Yeah.
Alright. Like Mommy to cut it?
That one.
How many do you have? 2. Oh, let's open. Let's see. Our shopping list. Ooh, that's a long shopping list. Ooh, what did we get?
House.
A house? Let's see where this house is. Right here. Gingerbread.
That's the bed.
And gingerbread is common. Okay, open the other one. Alright. Let's see. What else did we get? Oh, there's a shoe. Shoes right here. We got Wilma West, which is also common.
Alright.
Last but not least, Hello Kitty. Go. Okay.
Try mine.
Oh yeah, remember we have to cut it again. You got it? You want me to help? You want me to cut it? You tear it open. Yeah, tear it open.
Open.
Yeah, tear it open. Oh, we got the same. The same Hello Kitty.
Mommy.
What happened to our other one? Yeah, what happened to our other Hello Kitty?
One paper.
Oh, you want to open Play-Doh?
Yeah.
All right, we got a special surprise. Play-Doh.
Yeah.
What kind of Play-Doh is it?
Paper.
Play-Doh Plus. All right, you want to open it for everyone? Let's do it on this side right here. Whoa! You want to tell everybody what colors you have?
Hello.
Let's go through all the colors.
Paper.
What color is this?
Green.
Let's see what green looks like.
Pink.
Whoa! What other color do you want? What color is that?
Orange.
Orange. Open and show everybody what orange is. All right. Uh-oh. What other colors would you like?
White.
White? Get the white one. Good job. Oh, you're strong. Alright. Put on top. Which other color would you like?
Here.
Pick another color. What color is that?
Blue.
Blue. Open blue. Oh, good job. Alright. Next color. What's the next color? Job. Whoa, look at the yellow Play-Doh.
Little Play-Doh.
Next color.
This one.
What color is that?
Green.
That's like a turquoise. It's blue. It's a light blue.
Light.
Yes.
Light.
Mm-hmm. See, it's lighter. It's lighter than this blue. See the difference?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. What's next? Pink? You got it? Ooh, that's a bright pink. Okay. Last but not least, what color is this? Purple. Uh-oh.
With that purple?
Yeah. Alright, let's go over the colors again. Green, yellow, white, pink, purple, orange, light blue, dark blue. Good job. What's your favorite color? Kaylin's is green. I like purple.
Like pink.
You like pink also?
Daddy likes dark blue.
Daddy likes dark blue. What do you guys like?
This one.
Click subscribe, guys.
Hey guys.
Come back and watch your videos
Right here.
every Tuesday and Thursday. Thank you. Say bye.
Bye.
Then come back and watch us.
Guys.